Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Kuwait Air Force currently operates almost 25 Boeing F-18 fighters in their fleet, and they have placed an order for two more different categories of fighters which are yet to be delivered fully. The two category fighters which have been ordered by Kuwait Air Force are 28 Boeing F-18 Super Hornet and 28 Eurofighter Typhoon. According to me, ordering fighters from different countries is a good decision instead of depending on one country for the entire fleet. To be more precise on the order which was placed by Kuwait, they have placed an order for 28 Eurofighters, out of which 22 are single seat variant and 6 of them are two seat variants. The deal is said to be of 8.7 billion US dollars, which includes the training of pilots and ground personnel by the Italian Air Force and Leonardo. Not only that, this package also includes logistics and an initial operational support package for 3 years. Now, coming to the delivery status of these fighters, as per the latest update, out of 28 Eurofighters ordered, 2 of them were delivered to Kuwait on December 14, 2021. The two Eurofighter aircrafts took off from their assembly area of Italy with a refueling escort provided by two Italian Air Force KC-767 tankers. Not only that, these two new fighters for Kuwait were escorted by two Italian Eurofighters on the way. Providing just the fighters alone is not going to be sufficient if the pilots are not trained accordingly. As per the defense sources, Kuwait pilots were trained at the Italian Air Force 4th Squadron at central Italy. Not only that, the test pilots and instructors from the Italian Air Service will be supporting the initial training of Kuwait pilots and the operational conversion unit at the base in Kuwait. According to the CEO of Leonardo, the Eurofighter Typhoons, which have been developed and manufactured for the Kuwait Air Force, are the most advanced in the whole history of European program. So that was a small video to provide an update on the delivery of two Eurofighter Typhoons by Leonardo to Kuwait Air Force. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.